Hi everyone, this is Cyrus for iPhoneAppsFinder.com. Today I'm going to review a very exciting application. It's called Hieroglyphic Dictionary, and it has two versions. There's an iPad version and there's an iPhone version. I have both of them, and I'm going to show you the iPad version. The differences are minor. It's just the design is different because the iPhone has a smaller screen. The app is developed by Jean Francois. I hope I'm not pronouncing the name wrong, and it has about 21,000 words. It's not your average dictionary. It's not an English dictionary. You go and look up an English word. It's for folks who are actually studying Egypt. So the user interface is pretty simple. You see where the transliteration is, where the hieroglyphs are, and where the index is. And there's also a note for beginners. If you don't know anything about Egypt or the ancient Egypt or the system, the pictorial system that they use to write their language, if you don't know anything about that, you probably want to go through this and see what's going on there. It's not that long actually. Transliteration, pretty simple. Let's say you want to search for that word and I couldn't find anything. Now if I go and search for just that, it grabs all those that have that letter and it comes up with it. And the same with hieroglyphs. Let's say I want to search for this bird, and that. Now if you look at all these, you get the first one, the second one, all the way down, they all have the sign that I included or searched for. So for instance, there's a G1M17, and you can go all the way down, you can see it, and there's so many entries. I probably should use more to cut down and filter through these results. These filters are very important and very useful as well. When you get so many entries, you want to use the filters to cut down and get exactly what you're looking for. And if I want to delete, there you go. I can also search for errors. There's also an index available. So, and it gives you the sign and the class there, the classification. Now, as you can see, this is not an application for folks who don't study Egypt, or they see the hieroglyphs but they don't know what they mean, or they haven't studied it. It's very technical, and that's why it's a little bit more on the pricey side. But you can see if someone is researching Egypt, not having to carry a book or two, those heavy books, to look up a symbol. I mean, that's really helpful. And there's also an iPhone version. Let me show you the iPhone version if I can. So the iPhone version is pretty much similar. You just have to turn it on. It has a different design because it is designed for a phone, and I can't even get it right in the demonstration here. There you go. Pretty similar, a little bit different design. It's a little bit cheaper. I would recommend the iPad version if you're trying to do research. and that will cost you $18.99 at the time of this review. It could go down, it could go up, I'm not sure. But because of the nature of how technical this app is and the use of it for folks who actually are serious about studying this topic, you can pretty much just justify the price for such an app. So I hope you enjoyed it. This is Hieroglyphic Dictionary, the iPad version and the iPhone version. If you want to study Egypt, this is their pictorial writing system, this is the app to try. Thank you very much for watching. For more videos, please go to appfinders.com. If you like this video, please rate it or leave a comment. We really appreciate it. Have a good one, guys.